Hey guys, this is Riley Kamoy from Noreen's Cafe. Today I'm making a cappuccino. Hope you enjoy the video. So we're going to get our equipment and ingredients out and I'll show you what they are. The equipment consists of a portafilter where you grind the coffee into using the grinder in the coffee machine, cup, this goes to the ceramic mug, milk jug, let's use the milk for cappuccino, and 1 or 2 spoons for maybe like resettling the milk foam and for the chocolate powder. Let's get started with the ingredients now. The ingredients consist of cocoa powder, Cadbury cocoa powder, Gippsland Jersey milk, full cream in this case, get it going, don't raise water, and of course coffee grind itself. Grind ourselves. I'm going to grind in here. Get the cup. And pour. Then come lift up. Very much. Then do a full pull for 30 seconds. And then 30. So our milk foam's done. And I'm gonna mix this. Just to make the creaminess hard, pour it. The milk and stuff, and the cream is now in a drink. We'll top it off with some chocolate powder. Yeah, slightly. And there's the cap. Hope you like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you all later. Bye.